Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a LinkedIn cover photo. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, first thing first here, of course, you just have to open your LinkedIn and make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, guys. And after, if you want to change your LinkedIn cover photo, you just have to go to your account here at the top left the corner. And now go ahead to your account. And this is no cover photo, yeah guys. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on this camera icon. Just go ahead, and in this pop-up, you just have to choose the first one, which is add cover image. I'm gonna tap on it, and this is the cover image that provided by the phone, yeah guys, by the LinkedIn default. So if you wanna choose, or if you wanna use another photo from your gallery, you just have to tap on this upload photo, and now go to your upload from photos, and it will be entered to your gallery like this. But here I prefer to use the provided by LinkedIn. I'm gonna use this one. Just tap on the save button here at the bottom. You just have to wait for a second. It will be processing, and this is the result, guys. My cover photo on my LinkedIn profile is already changed. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.